Hey guys, so we've been hearing rumors of a budget Pixel device for ages, and finally today we got our first look at Pixel 3 Lite prototype. At first glance, this device looks a whole lot like Pixel 3 family, especially the smaller model. According to the leaked images, the Pixel 3 Lite prototype is made of a plastic rather than the glass and metal build which was used for Pixel 3 and 3 XL. The device also features a 3.5mm headphone jack which was also not available on the regular Pixel 3 and 3 XL. This device has a 5.56-inch IPS LCD display with a resolution of 2220 by 1080 pixels. For the processor, Google has chosen the Qualcomm Snapdragon 670 SoC. With a 4GB of RAM, 32GB of internal storage with no microSD card slot. Also, a 12MP rear camera, an 8MP front-facing camera, and a 2915 mAh battery, which will support Quick Charge 4.0. It's not clear when this phone will actually launch or what market it will be available in, but the pricing is said to be around $400 to $500, which calculates around 32 to 35,000 Indian rupees, and with the release expected either before the end of 2018 or some point in Q1 2019. So that is it for this video guys. Let me know what do you think about this Google Pixel 3 Lite. Is it something you'd consider picking up? Let me know in the comment section below, and I will see you in my next video.